There's optimism around the future of MS Dhoni in the Indian Premier League. The new retention rules mean that MS Dhoni is eligible to be retained as an uncapped player. But if Dhoni decides to play in IPL 2025, he might have to take a massive salary cut. Hello viewers, this is Jishu Bhattacharya and you are watching our Sport Fit. Today let's try and understand why MS Dhoni might take a pay cut to play in IPL 2025. The IPL Governing Council recently announced major changes to the retention rules ahead of the mega auction for IPL 2025. In a big move, the IPL is reintroducing the uncapped player rule for retired Indian players. Under this rule, the capped Indian players will be deemed uncapped if they have not played international cricket across formats and have not held a BCCI central contract in the last 5 years. Ever since the rule change has been revealed, there's a lot of speculation that Chennai Super Kings would be able to retain MS Dhoni as an uncapped player without sacrificing the team's core and the financial muscle. Given MS Dhoni hasn't played any international cricket since the World Cup and isn't a part of the BCCI central contract anymore, he is eligible to be retained as an uncapped player. The revamped retention rules have sparked optimism among the CSK fan base and they are rooting for MSD to wear the iconic CSK yellow and walk out to bat in the IPL for one last time. MS Dhoni back in 2022 decided to step down from CSK captaincy for the first time. He was the second retention. His services were retained by CSK for 12 crores ahead of the 2022 mega auction. MS Dhoni in 2022 was no longer CSK's highest paid player in the squad, and it allowed the franchise the flexibility to retain the likes of Ravindra Jadeja and Rituraj Gaikwad for a higher price. Now, when it comes to MSD potentially being retained as an uncapped player, the strategy might not be as straightforward. In previous auctions, the salary limit to retain an uncapped player was only 4 crores. If that rule prevails and if CSK are to retain MS Dhoni as an uncapped player, the 5-time IPL winning captain will have to take a pay cut of around 66%. If things go downhill and MS Dhoni doesn't agree to be paid as less as 4 crores, then CSK will have only two options left, either to retain MS Dhoni as a capped player and take a financial hit, or to put an end to arguably the most iconic partnership in IPL history. So now that the retention rules are out, will MS Dhoni call time on his IPL career, or is there another definitely not waiting, which nobody is being able to anticipate? We'll have to wait for possibly few more days and find out the answers to these questions. Thank you for watching our Sport Fit.